let me continue with my presentation. So my research focuses on health communication and risk communication. And today I'm very excited to share with you my paper titled How Do Religiosity, Political Ideology, and Consuming Fox News Influencing People's Belief in Health Misinformation. Please allow me to provide some background information about this study. In today's digital age, misinformation, particularly concerning health and wellness, poses a significant threat to public health. Medical experts caution that embracing such misinformation can have deadly consequences. Religiosity and conservative political ideology have been found to make individuals more susceptible to misinformation. Additionally, the consumption of conservative media, particularly Fox News, has been linked to stronger belief in misinformation. Unfortunately, there are few comprehensive studies examining the collective impact of religiosity, conservative political ideology, and exposure to conservative media on belief in health misinformation. So, I aim to fill this gap in the literature, and I propose the following research hypothesis. Higher religiosity, more conservative political ideology, and consuming Fox News content, both TV and online, are positively associated with belief in health misinformation. So those are my three hypotheses. Let's move on to the method of this study. I used the American National Election Studies 2020 time series dataset, a sample comprising U.S. citizens age 18 or older living in the United States, with a sample size of 8,280. My independent variables are religiosity, political ideology, Fox News website visits, consumption of 7 Fox TV programs, including Hannity, Tucker Carlson Tonight, The Five, and Fox and Friends, etc. My dependent variables are belief in 2 specific health claims that are misinformation. One such misinformation is childhood vaccines cause autism. The other misinformation is the anti-malaria drug hydroxychloroquine is a safe and effective treatment for COVID-19. So these 2 health claims are both misinformation, and they are dependent variables in my study. Demographic variables, age, sex, ethnicity, education, marital status were also included in my study as control variables. So to test my hypothesis, I conducted 2 logistic regressions separately to predict belief in each of the 2 claims while controlling demographic variables. And let's talk about results. My findings revealed that stronger religiosity and more conservative political views are associated with a higher likelihood to believe misinformation that childhood vaccines cause autism. And consumption of Fox content, including watching Fox TV programs or visiting Fox News websites, did not contribute to this belief. My findings also showed that 3 factors, stronger religiosity, more conservative political views, and regular Fox website use are associated with a higher likelihood to believe misinformation that the anti-malaria drug hydroxychloroquine is a safe and effective treatment for COVID-19. So those 3 factors, stronger religiosity, more conservative political views, and regular Fox website use are both significant predictor of the likelihood to believe the misinformation that the anti-malaria drug hydroxychloroquine is safe and effective for treating COVID-19. So in summary, this study revealed the significant and positive impacts of religiosity, conservative political views, and regular exposure to the Fox News website on the acceptance of health misinformation. So let's talk about some significant implications of my study. There are 3 important implications. First, public health campaigns should be designed to counter health misinformation, tailoring messages to resonate with individuals with stronger religiosity and conservative political views. The second implication is that the influence of Fox News on public health perceptions underscores the need for greater media literacy and critical information consumption. Media organizations should be held accountable for spreading misinformation. And the last implication is that a collective approach involving religious institutions, political leaders, and media organizations, and public health agencies is very, very important to debunk health misinformation. So before I conclude, I would like to extend my gratitude to the organizers of IPHC 2024. I'm truly thankful for the opportunity to participate and present my study. I look forward to learning from the studies and insights of other presenters. That concludes the presentation of my study. So is there any questions?